Hi guys, this is John from Immigration Office Solutions. Our team prepares immigration petitions for attorneys, law firms, and HR departments. And today we are going to talk about the Citizenship for Essential Workers Act 2021. President Biden has a huge infrastructure improvement plan that he is trying to get through Congress. It just passed the Senate. Today is August 12th, and it is going through the House of Representatives. And there is a very important budget line for immigration, for a pathway to citizenship. And it is expected to include all or some of the Citizenship for Essential Workers Act, which was the link here on our website goes to Representative Castro's website. He is a sponsor, and you can kind of see the overview on this PDF and download it and just save it and read it at your leisure. Essentially, it affects over 5 million undocumented immigrants working in essential jobs. It's about 75% of the undocumented workers in the U.S. The list is here, everything from healthcare to restaurants, hospitality, meat processing, etc. And it includes, at least in the original form, the family members, those who lost employment due to COVID but worked in one of these industries. So the list is here. So while we're waiting for Congress to hopefully pass the infrastructure bill, which hopefully will have a pathway to citizenship for essential undocumented workers, the question is, what can you do to be proactive to plan? We've been getting a lot of these questions, and so in general, currently, when you're filing an adjustment of status application, there are basically 5 bullet points that we put together of documents that you will need. And so these are things that you can kind of get ready now if you don't have them, or if you don't have them in the correct format. Number 1, a copy of your birth certificate. If it's unable or does not exist, there are methods to get it. You can email us and we'll show you. Depending on the country, there are different paths to get that. Government issued ID, birth certificate, passport. This is a passport. Certified police and court records if you've had criminal charges, arrests, or convictions, regardless of the final disposition. So that's important to get those records ready now, so you're not rushed. And more importantly, the police and courts are not overwhelmed with requests if and when this passes. If you're married, copy of your marriage certificate, and certified translation, and if you've been previously married and divorced, evidence of the divorce with a translation. So if you'd like to kind of keep up on the status of the Citizenship for Essential Workers Act, or in general the pathway to citizenship options that are part of the infrastructure bill, you can go to this page on our site and just sign up to be part of the newsletter, and we'll email you updates, we'll email you tips on how to get your documents ready. And fingers crossed, let's hope that this goes through. But regardless, we'll keep everybody posted that signs up. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.